There's only one way to get juicy calves. Boom! Training them. Yeah. What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do seated calf raises into the home gym. And this is one method, but I'm also going to show you a faster method. So basically, calf raises, a lot of people like them, but if you're not training them, you're never going to get them. Quick anatomy lesson, the calves are this muscle here. You have two of them, one that spans over the ankle and the knee. This is going to be the one that you train primarily if you do standing calf raises. And then you have a deeper laying calf muscle that is only spanning across the ankle, and that you train with the seated calf raise. Why do you want to train the smaller one? To pop open the bigger one, and also to protect your ligaments, your joints, and to get more ankle range of motion and stronger ankles. And with stronger ankles comes stronger knees, so we just want to do this exercise. Okay, let's get on with it. The setup that I have here is I have put my barbell onto my safety spotters. I put on some weights, and then I have here a block. I call it the calf raise block. You can call it whatever you want. It's basically just an elevated surface so that your heel can go lower than the ball of your foot. And then obviously we want some kind of bench where you can sit on in order to make it a seated calf raise. The great advantage of this setup is that you can add a lot of weight to this exercise. I have it here loaded up with 60 kilos. The only downside of this type of setup is the setup itself. I always have my spotter arms hidden on my rack, so I have to take them out. I have to take out the pussy pad, I have to take out the barbell, the bench, I have to put up the block. I always have to remember how high I have to put the safety arms, so it's a hassle. And then comes the good part. You have to go underneath here, and you can do it like this. Is this all visible? Yes. You can do like this, boom, and then try to go up like so. And then from here you just take a wide grip so the bar doesn't wiggle too much, and then you go all the way down, boom, and go up, boom. Another way to get into this is to just basically rack pull and put it onto your knees. So you stand up, you put your knees against the pussy pad, you lift the barbell up, boom, and then you go and sit down with the barbell, and then you try to get onto the block. So if you can't get onto the block, the weight is probably too heavy for you anyway, so that's not a big deal. And then you can start to do your calf raises. Boom, boom. Now let's say you want to do this exercise for longevity purposes. You want to go heavy now and then, but not always. Then maybe you should abandon this setup, and I have a much quicker setup for you guys. So let me put away the bar and let me show you. Now what we do is we take a plate, boom. This is 20 kilos, boom. Make sure you sit back enough, and you can do the same exercise a lot easier. Obviously you can see why you can't go as heavy here, because you still have to get the plates onto your lap. Now obviously if you're alone, you can't go as heavy with this. You have the quick and easy way of doing it, but you can't go as heavy, so you have to do more reps. And then the other way is just going ham, going heavy, but you have the disadvantage that the setup takes a long time, depending of what you already did prior to this exercise. So yes, this is my 2 cents on how I do the seated calf raise. I have two options. It's always nice to have multiple options, a faster one and a more in-depth one, let we say. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below how you are doing your seated calf raises. I'm very happy to know what you are doing, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!